Is anyone a little bit anxious about it? For good reason. It is definitely the hardest piece of equipment for us to get to use professionally. So what I'm talking, and efficiently. So what we're trying to achieve is a dead straight edge, and to be able to do that in time, quickly, efficiently. Now, when you first start, you will be very slow because you'll be concentrating on quality. Don't rush. Get the quality right, the speed will come. Now, this is called a bump head or a speed feed. It's called a bump head because when we bump it at revolutions on the ground, it throws out the cord, and the cord gets thrown out to this cutting edge. That's the length that the manufacturer has determined is the optimum cutting length, and we're cutting right on the tip of that cord, right on the very end. Not halfway up where you hear that slapping sound that you might be familiar with. Slap, 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 we're cutting on the tip. Now, it's also called a speed feed, and it's called a speed feed for a good reason. I'm doing a job and I've just run out of cord, and I'm 200 metres from my truck. But because I took my own advice this morning, cord. So I've got my 3 metres of cord roughly here. I'm right-handed. Now on the speed feed, it's got 2 eyelets. You can see the eyelets there probably. And on the head, it's got 2 arrows. And that, when you need to feed it, you line up the arrows with the eyelets. So I can't see those because I'm half blind. So through it goes, nice and easy. I pour it out to be equidistant. Ooh, that's hot, that. Ooh. Is anyone here hot? Too hot? No. Okay. I'm a hot-blooded bloke.
I've been running downstairs.
More exercise than I need. Now, in my left hand, I'm going to hold the base of it, and with my right hand, I'm going to twist. So twist, release, twist, release, twist, release. So why is it called a speed feed? It's quick. Okay. That will probably do me for my 8 or 10 jobs today. If you're new to this piece of equipment, that might do you for 2 or 3 jobs, because with your being necessarily inefficient, you will waste cord. Don't worry. Just go slow and get the technique right.